Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that affects almost everyone at some point: cavities. Whether you've had one before or you're looking to avoid them altogether, this video is packed with expert tips to help you protect your teeth and keep them healthy. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Cavities are caused by tooth decay, which happens when plaque builds up on your teeth and produces acid that erodes the enamel. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to prevent this. Here are my top tips to keep your teeth cavity-free. Tip number 1. Brush your teeth the right way. Use a fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled toothbrush. Brush for at least 2 minutes twice a day. Don't forget to brush your tongue. It's a hot spot for bacteria. Tip number 2. Floss daily. Brushing alone can't reach the tight spaces between your teeth. Flossing removes food particles and plaque that your toothbrush can't get to. If you're not a fan of traditional floss, try floss picks or a water flosser. Tip number 3. Use mouthwash. An antibacterial mouthwash can help kill bacteria and strengthen your enamel. Look for one with fluoride for extra protection. Swish it around for 30 seconds after brushing and flossing. Tip number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps wash away food particles and bacteria. It also keeps your mouth from getting dry, which can increase the risk of cavities. Plus, if your water is fluoridated, it's an extra boost for your teeth. Tip number 5. Watch what you eat. Sugary and starchy foods feed the bacteria that cause cavities. Instead, opt for tooth-friendly snacks like crunchy veggies, cheese, and nuts. And if you do indulge in sweets, rinse your mouth with water afterward. Tip number 6. Visit your dentist regularly. Even with the best habits, you still need professional cleanings and checkups. Your dentist can spot early signs of cavities and help you prevent them from getting worse. Aim for a visit every 6 months. Bonus tip. Consider a natural supplement like DentiCore. DentiCore is a chewable tablet that supports healthy teeth and gums by promoting proper oxygenation. It's packed with natural ingredients like calcium and chlorophyllin, which can help strengthen your teeth and keep your mouth healthy. I've left a link in the description if you want to learn more. Remember, preventing cavities is all about consistency. Stick to these tips, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier smile. And don't forget, your oral health is a big part of your overall health, so it's worth the effort. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little dental inspiration. Let me know in the comments. What's your go-to tip for preventing cavities? Until next time, keep smiling and take care of those teeth. Bye.